from Daughters of American Revolution State Forest in Western Mass. Had a good night's sleep last night, and I'm getting ready for the day here. My last full day out here. Tomorrow we head home, so we got another round of thunderstorms coming in, just like we had yesterday, but I guess this time it's coming in with a full cold front. And it'll be the ending this heat wave because it's been up in the 90s. Although yesterday over here it only reached 81. Currently it's about 71 here, so it's going to get warmer. So I'm going to have my breakfast, which I'm making some French toast on, and then we're going to go out for a ride on the scooter for a bit, and then hopefully maybe we'll even find a spot to fly the drone. Who knows yet? And we'll come back and see what the storms bring in. So, and after the storms come through, maybe we'll do some more hiking around the area. Anyway, let's get to it. Okay, you can see I got some stuff coming together here for breakfast. Mixing up my mix here for the French toast. Got my bacon on, and of course the coffee. Can't go without coffee. Over here we got my new tabletop tiki torch here. It's supposed to be some insect repellent properties to it too, so water tanks over there. The scooter's getting ready to go. Hopefully we can get out and back before the thunderstorms come through, but I want to get out on a little bit of a ride today. Alright, time to make some breakfast. Alright, there it is, all set. Got French toast, we got bacon, we got butter, and we got maple syrup. With some orange juice and some coffee, we got the perfect camping breakfast.